industries around the world trust Pure Storage to store and protect their mission-critical data. That level of trust requires total customer obsession. Meet Paolo Juvara.
Customer obsession means putting the needs and the experience of our customers at the forefront of everything that we do.
Meet Colin Mead.
Customer has a problem, how do we get them back to zero and then above that? At Pure Storage, the number one metric is our NPS score.
Our NPS score is 82%.
Whoa.
82% is almost unheard of in the technology industry.
That's what you get when customer obsession shapes every experience.
Whether that experience is interacting with our sales organization or our support organization, leveraging ServiceNow, we're going to be able to take that experience to the next level.
This is CRM for the AI era, where service and sales work together.
The modern CRM solution is the ability to connect all of the people in different functions, all the systems behind those functions, into a single coherent platform.
Which we could never do before without the extreme cost and extreme complexity.
The ServiceNow CPQ solution allows us to really design a very tailored and custom-made experience for our customers that will really empower them to identify and configure the product that best suits their needs.
Okay, so you're serious about CRM.
We are not going to mess around when it comes to CRM.
What does that look like in action?
Before we moved to the platform, resolution time was about 26 days. We're now down to 5 days. Our response time has gone down from 26 minutes down to about 4 minutes. We've been able to get rid of 13 different software platforms that we were bolting onto our previous system. We were able to get rid of those overnight.
Impressive. So what's next?
AI plays a critical role for us. We're going to be able to deliver a much higher degree of automation and simplicity. And that means a faster pace of business and a higher degree of growth for everybody.